Hello dear friends, in today's engaging video I'm excited to demonstrate some creative ideas you can apply using a bottle, one that almost every household possesses but often feels too precious to discard. This particular bottle, which I've cherished for several years, is not just an ordinary object but a true piece of art. But there is nowhere to apply it either, and today I want to show you one of the ways where you can use such a bottle and what you can do with it. This innovative technique is adaptable to virtually any type of bottle you may have, regardless of its size, shape or design. Now, as we proceed with the project, I'll require a specific wooden piece like this one. However, the type of wood doesn't particularly matter. For my demonstration, I have chosen a delightful piece of cherry wood. Here it lies. I've had it for several years too, and finally I found a use for it.